Hello guys, good morning. May bagong update ang Tabi. Yan guys, shop anywhere with your Tabi card and pay later with no down payments. Open daw natin yan guys. To shop anywhere, use Tabi anywhere, Visa accepted. For online purchases, food, apps, utility, and fashion more. Add in-store payment, transport, fuel, groceries, dining, and more. O yan siya guys. See card details. Tapos, open natin to guys. Yan guys. Halimbawa, mag-order tayo ng phone sa iStyle. For example, iPhone Pro Max. Yan. Oh, ayan guys. Check natin yung payment method nila. Via Tabi. Ayan guys. May 4 months payment, may 6 months payment na siya. Ang Tabi. Diba convenient? Pwede ka nang magbayad ng 4 months at saka mayroong bago 6 months. Merong 10 months to bago din sila, may bago silang 10 months. Yan ang sa Tabi. Payment plan, choose Tabi at check out at select a payment plan. Enter your information and add your debit card or credit card. The first payment is taken when the order is made. We'll send you a reminder when your next payment is due. Tayo natin continue. Diba guys, convenient na, may marami na silang pautang. Yan ang Tabi guys. Okay. Marami din silang mga pakulong na dito. May jewelry na din sila. Mga pabango, kumpleto to. Check out mo guys sa Tabi. Diba ang ganda guys. May bayad na naman ako ng due in 4 days, 72 dirham. Bayarin na naman. Mobile, jewelry, fashion, travel. Diba guys? Wow, jewelry 300. Gold plated. Saan 15%. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Follow for more. Check nyo ang Tabi, marami silang pakulo. Okay guys, thank you.